Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go to the Play Store application, and here on the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on our device. Now just open the application, go here to the enabling settings section, and here near the green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher to activate it, tap OK, one more time OK, and go back. Just here go to the switch input methods and switch your Samsung keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished. And right now, if for example we'll check that, we'll start messaging with someone, and as can you see right now, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as the emojis, as can you see. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.